In this video, I'll show how to use the Klein non-contact voltage tester. This is the NCVT1P model and it's very easy to use. So let's get started. So the first step is to make sure it has batteries. To remove this cap, that is the battery cover, you just have to put your thumb over here and push up. It will remove the cap, and here we have two AAA batteries that are placed facing down with the positive side first. To place back this cover, you just have to align it over here like this and then push until it clicks in place. This tool has only one single button, and this is why it's very easy to use. Press on this power button during half of a second until you hear a beep and the light over here lights up. So let's do it. Here we go. And if the light lights up red, it simply means that your batteries need to be changed or charged, depending if you have rechargeable batteries or just a normal set of battery. If you don't want to make any sort of noise when you power this unit on, there is a second way to power it. So you'll need to press this power button until the light turns on. Then release the power button and it won't make any noise. Let me demonstrate. So you see, right now the unit is in silent mode. So it will not emit any sort of noise even when you're testing cables. But for this video, I'll just power it the normal way. Before using it, it's always recommended that you test it first, just to make sure that the unit works well. So take a cable where you're absolutely sure that there is AC going on, 50 volts or more. If you're sure, like this one, this is a lamp cord, simply put the tip of this tester against the cable and the light over here, the way you saw, will turn red and the unit will beep many times. This way you know that the unit is working. If you want to test an outlet, you'll need to insert this tip simply at the entrance over here of the outlet. Do not put it in the ground. You see there is one bigger than the other, and if I put it over here, if I put it in the bigger one, nothing will happen because this is the ground. You absolutely need to put it in the smaller one here. You see? If the person who installed your outlet inverted, so maybe your ground is the smaller one, it's always better to try both of them. So this is how you test your cables. You just need to bring this closer, and once there's current, it will definitely make a noise and you'll also see it visually. If you were in silent mode, let me put it in silent mode. So right now the unit is in silent mode and we all know that there is current passing in this cable. If I put it here, you see the light turns to red, but there's absolutely no sound going on. To turn off the unit, you just have to keep press on this power button during a second and then release when you hear the beep noise. If you forget to turn it off, don't worry, because after 4 minutes of not being used, the unit will shut down by itself. And to know that it's turned off, you just have to check the light over here, and if there's no light, it just means that it turned off by itself. So this is how you use this Klein Tools non-contact voltage tester. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.